Yes! Yes! Oh my God! Yes! Woo! Yes! Oh my God!
Max Verstappen, you are the world champion! The world champion!
Mate, you absolutely deserve it. You absolutely deserve it. You've had no luck. Not the rub of the green.
Max, we are so proud of you.
Oh my God, guys! I love you so much.
You have driven like a champion all year. You deserve that. We needed a bit of luck. You got it. You made it happen. And we love you. We absolutely love you.